Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2026 at 0940, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Today's Day 1 Outlook, we have an enhanced risk that encompasses eastern Louisiana, central Mississippi, going into central Alabama. We have a slight risk that encompasses north and central Georgia, much of Alabama, much of Mississippi, southern Arkansas, northern to central Louisiana, and eastern Texas. We have another slight risk encompassing central Texas. We have a marginal risk that encompasses much of central Texas, going into extreme southeastern Oklahoma, central Arkansas, extreme northern Mississippi, much of Tennessee, southern Mississippi, southern Louisiana, southern Alabama, western Florida, much of Georgia, western to central South Carolina, western to central North Carolina, extreme southeastern Kentucky, and southwestern Virginia. We do have a marginal risk for those areas today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 10% hatch encompassing parts of eastern Louisiana, central Mississippi, into central Alabama. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses extreme western Georgia, central to southern Alabama, much of Mississippi, parts of central Louisiana, and extreme southeastern Arkansas as well. We have a 2% tornado threat that encompasses southern Louisiana and extreme southern Mississippi, as well as extreme southern Alabama. And we have a 2% normal that encompasses eastern Texas and northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northwestern Georgia, and parts of southeastern Tennessee. So we do have those areas under a 5% today, or 2% today, So today we have Birmingham, Montgomery, Jackson, Tuscaloosa, and Hoover under the significant severe. Birmingham, Jackson, Tuscaloosa, Hoover, and Meriden under the 10%. Montgomery, Monroe, Hattiesburg, Alexandria, and Greenville under the 5%. And Shreveport, Huntsville, Chattanooga, College Station, and Bryan under the 2%. So for the 10% hatched area, we could see a good EF3 tornado possible today. 5% hatched area, we could see an EF2 tornado possible today. The small 2% hatch, we could see an EF1 tornado possible today. And 2% normal, we could see a EF0 tornado possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% encompassing eastern Texas, northern to central Louisiana, southern to Arkansas, central Mississippi, central Alabama, and north central Georgia. We have a 5% that encompasses western to central South Carolina, western to central North Carolina, southwestern Virginia, southeastern Kentucky, much of Tennessee, northern Alabama, and southern Alabama as well, western Florida, northern and southern Mississippi, central Arkansas, extreme southeastern Oklahoma, central Texas, as well as southern Louisiana. So we do have those areas under a 5% wind risk today. So we have Atlanta, Birmingham, Montgomery, Shreveport, and Columbus under the 15%, and Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Memphis, and Charlotte under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses eastern Texas, central to northern Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, and central Mississippi. We have a 15% normal, that encompasses western Alabama and northern Mississippi. We have another one over here encompassing central Texas. And we have a 5% that encompasses central to eastern Texas, southern and northwestern Louisiana, extreme southeastern Oklahoma, central Arkansas, parts of northwestern and southern Mississippi, southern Tennessee, central to northern Alabama, and northwestern Georgia. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. We have Shreveport, Jackson, Bossier City, Monroe, and Alexandria under the significant severe, as well as the 15%. And Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Memphis, and Birmingham under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today, and 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for today, it says scattered severe thunderstorms. Oh, there's the reset. Scattered severe thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening from eastern Texas into the lower Mississippi and Tennessee Valley and southern Appalachians. Supercells capable of all hazards will be possible across parts of central Mississippi and Alabama before a shift to a more of a damaging wind risk into the evening and overnight. Late evening and overnight, So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow, or today, There's today's hail risk.
As a former tennis champion, I know what it's like to be in the spotlight. But when I got diagnosed with generalized myasthenia gravis,
There's today's wind risk.
I knew I needed help. That's when my doctor added Vyvgart. Treatment my way. I only wish I started sooner.
There's today's tornado risk.
Allergic to the ingredients. It can increase risk of infection and serious allergic or infusion-related reactions. Get help right away if you have rash, swelling.
And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even if you may be in a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. And since this is a tornado threat, make sure you have multiple ways of receiving weather information, whether that would be your weather radio, your phone, your television source, your radio outlet, whatever it is you use. And make sure to sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move overnight in case you get placed under a warning. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon to cover tomorrow's risks. But anyway, have a great rest of your day and stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.